Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. Comes equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other items included such as premium leather heated seats, Google Assistant and Maps, heated rear seating, wireless charging, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your wood and chrome accent and your seat memory. Black running boards here. And these power adjustable heated leather seats, super comfortable. And the left side here will be your lane keep assist, 360-degree camera, park assist, and auto stop with your drive mode selector and lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, with the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now the cluster control, it's all digital. You can access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, depth fluid, pitch and roll, all that fun stuff, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. So it's going to be push to start. You're going to have these button shifters and onto the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can access these cameras here from front, rear, and 360 degree, as well as the parallel mirror cams, with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well as Amazon Alexa. Down below, you're going to have your tri-zone climate controls, as well as the heated seats with 2 USB ports and a wireless charging pad, and extra center console storage with 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wood and chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your power folding 3rd row seats, your power trunk release, and the panoramic sunroof. So you're getting these blacked out 22-inch wheels on Bridgestone Alenza tires with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Luggage side rail up top with deep tint rear glass in the back. Black bow tie and your chrome badging. And into the back here, we're going to have vents and speakers in the back, as well as some extra storage, an AC wall port, and the power folding 3rd row seats. All the way down. On each side of the seats, you're gonna have cup holders and USB-C ports, and as well as vents and lamps up top. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to more of the rear interior, more paneling storage with the Bose speaker, power locks in the windows with the wood and chrome accents, with Chevrolet badging. These adjustable captain 2nd row seats. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side, with rear cup holders, rear climate controls, heated seating, as well as 2 USB-C ports and an AC wall port on the bottom. Got the armrests, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe LT, equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as leather heated seats, as well as built-in lane keep assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Alexa, heated 2nd row seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.